Hi there, my name is Shari from Brampton, Ontario. I'm reviewing the Type A Over-the-Door Pantry Organizer, which I put to the test. As you can see, I have put all my pantry items in it. I like that it works well, that you can put a lot in it. It's very compact. The one thing I would change would have to be the sturdyability. It's not very sturdy, and have it be more removable for if I want to change it around or something. I would definitely have to say that I would recommend this product, the Type A Over-the-Door Pantry Organizer. It's very well designed, can hold a lot, and is very unique.